Hey Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. So what are we taking a look on? That's the construction behind us. We are in New Kingston, so stay tuned. Come on guys, support the channel. I know a lot of you guys watch the videos and haven't subscribed. Subscribing is completely free. So just click that subscribe button, turn it gray, and support the channel. So subscribing is the easiest way to support the channel. We're on our way to 20,000 subs. So subscribe guys. Remember to like, remember to comment, remember to share, and definitely subscribe guys. Alright guys, so the construction we're taking a look at today is at the corner of Dumfries Road, which intersects on Holborn Road. So this right here is Holborn Road, that's Dumfries Road here. So this is the construction. It's a office building complex. We also have a new construction over here as well. So when we set up the drone, you guys will get some better aerial shots. I've done a few videos on these complex, so I'll put one of the older videos in the comments so you guys can see where the construction is coming from as well. We have the R Hotel very close by, which you'll see when I set up the drone. We also have the Ruthven Towers apartment close by. Alright, so this building, it was once a gym, it was once a restaurant, then it was demolished, and now we're having this complex. What I'm going to do in a bit as well is to show you guys a picture of what the completed complex should look like. So I'll do that in a second or two. And we also have a Scotia investment building right here and a big parking lot. Who knows, in a few months or years this parking lot probably get converted into some development right here on Holborn Road. And we know Holborn Road is in New Kingston. This is down Holborn Road. Dominica Drive down this side. Chelsea Avenue as well down this side. The towers, which you'll see from the drone, one of the taller buildings in New Kingston. Auto Channel right here on Holborn Road. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you the billboard showing the finished look of the development. And then of course it's a drone video, so we'll send up the drone to get you some aerial shots. And again guys, just remember to like, remember to comment, remember to share, so persons outside of Kingston, persons in Jamaica, so persons in Kingston, persons abroad can see the multiple developments and the progress in terms of infrastructure that's going on in Jamaica and in Kingston. These bring jobs as well. I know a lot of time persons are asking for factories and manufacturing type development, but this is what I'm capturing today in terms of this commercial development in New Kingston on Holborn Road. So the billboard is right there, so we're gonna go closer so we can get a better picture of the finished look. This is the finished building, 8 Holborn Road with 8 floors, elevator access, open floor plan, basement parking, backup water supply, generator. So that's the finished look. Let me know what you guys think. Alright guys, so we'll be sending up the drone in a little bit, and as usual we'll continue doing updates until it's finished. And then you have another one across the road almost in front of it, also under construction. They don't have a billboard as yet, so I'm not sure it will look when it's finished. And that's the Rootven Towers. And we have the R Hotel over here, apartment complex here.